Okay, go.
My name is Jonathan Bay and I make Volcano. This is what you need. 2 tablespoons of dish soap. 1 tablespoon of baking soda. 2 teaspoons red food coloring. 'Stir it well.
Is it mixed up? Okay.
Third cup of vinegar.
Wait. Oh! Wow, it worked.
Wow, it worked.
Jonathan, what makes a real volcano explode like that? Like, what is that called coming down?
Lava.
Lava. What's it called when it's still underneath the earth? Magnum. But once the magnum hits the earth's surface, it's called lava. Hey.
Mom, that is so awesome.
Wow, good job, Jonathan. What else can you tell us about volcanoes? Do they all look like mountains like that? What do some other ones look like? Some look low and flat. What else?
Under the ocean.
Some are under the ocean. Good job.